is Alethea and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I come back with my new shenanigans. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for stepping back in to check out another video. So in this video, I show you all how I get ready and create this look. Now, my hair is not what I wanted my hair to be. I wanted to kind of have the front up and the back down. However, I could not find the clip to go on my hair. So I've been wearing my hair down more. I've had people to ask me why I'm always wearing it up. I've been wearing it down more, but I just did not have the clip to make it how I want it because I did want it partially up today. So with that being said, for those of you that are new here, I am not a makeup artist. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I love makeup. I have a plethora of makeup and I'll continue to buy more makeup because I have a passion for it. I love it, love it, love it. So with that being said, if you're interested in I created this look, then please continue to watch. Okay, so as you all can see, my face is done and I'm gonna tell y'all, I just want to play in my crayon case makeup. I don't know what I'm going to do with my eyes. In fact, I don't even know what I'm wearing today. I know what bottoms I'm wearing. I don't know what shirt I'm wearing. So put a little bit of that Fenty. Oh, let me use my mirror. So I just put a little of that Fenty concealer on my eye. And y'all, my face is already done. Of course, y'all know I told y'all a few videos ago that I do my face first now before I do my eyes. And just in case you didn't see my video, the box of crayons, unboxing this palette, I am going to hold it up and show it to you, or just in case you haven't seen anyone else with the palette. Here it is. So I think I'm going to go in with this color tan for my crease color. It does have a little bit of kickback, but it's not something that I cannot deal with. Alright, and for my crease, I think I'm going to take the brown and put brown in my crease. Yeah, this one has a little bit of kickback as well. Not my crease, but I'm talking about my outer corner. I'm putting brown. I don't know why I said my crease. Just darken that outer corner up. Bring a little bit of definition to it. Let's see, what do I want for my lid? I don't even know, like I said, I don't even know what I'm wearing today, but I just really want to use this orange. I do. I want to use the orange. So let's see what this orange looks like on my eye. That brown. I'm going to put some eyeliner on my waterline today. I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion eyeliner. I think I'm going to step on the wild side, and for my waterline I'm going to put some blue. I think I also want to put some of that orange on my waterline though. And then let me get an inner tip that highlight. I think I want to try the baby blue. going to be it. Now for the highlight on my eye, I am going to actually use my new Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlight. I hope it's not too bright, but this is what I'm going to use to highlight my face. So I'm just going to put a little bit here. It didn't take much. It did not take much of that. Now let me soften this back up a little bit. Soften that up a little bit, because that, whew. Okay, so maybe I should have tested this Kilowatt before I put it on my eye, because this stuff is dangerous. All right, and for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Neptune, is that what it is? That I got from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to line my top line. I'm going to put on my mascara. Wait, let me go ahead and highlight. Let me go ahead and highlight my cheeks. Baby, let me see if I'm about to glow like a disco ball. So I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks a little bit. This Kilowatt does not be playing, baby. You have to have a light hand with this stuff. You have to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to. Yes, you have to have a light hand. And for my lips, this is another one of those finds that the creative lady shared. And this is the Kat Von D's Everlasting Glimmer Veil lipstick in the color Razzle. And I'm just gonna put it on without a liner or anything. I love this color. Back, and this is the final look, and I do hope you enjoyed seeing me create this look. And if you are interested in seeing more looks on my channel, then please leave comments below and I will gladly crank those out for you. So thank you so much for my new subscribers. Thank you for my oldie but goodies, and thank you for going ahead and liking this video and sharing it across all of your social media sites. In the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.